We are at the moss there. It's raining pretty good right now. Get a close-up of what's happening. Oh, it's getting pretty wet. All right, oh, here's some good stuff going on here. Oh my gosh. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, man, nice and green. All right, I gotta get out of here before I get struck by lightning. This is a great rainstorm here for this moss. Oh, I can't wait till this finishes up. All right, we still have some rain here, so let's take a look. So there's the moss on the rock. There's some more moss that's down below. This is the part I'm trying to grow on the side of the house, back area. So what we're focusing on now is, see that little puddle of water? And you can kind of see some, let me move this leaf here, there you go. See how it's grooving up a little bit right here? Get some of that leaf. I cleaned that up the other day. So right around there is what's growing pretty good. Okay, now let me see this. Now this one's doing really good right here. All right, everybody, we are going to take a look at this moss lawn after 2 days of crazy weather rain. It was just raining like cats, dogs, elephants, raccoons, name an animal. That's kind of what happened. So, and squirrels, don't forget about the squirrels, raining squirrels. All right, so take a look at this lawn and tell me, yes, leave a comment and tell me what you guys think. Okay, so this is what's happening. All right, now, if you look very closely right here, see those white dots right there? This is where the moss is going to start to grow. Okay, it's kind of growing on the root here a little bit, and it's starting to spread onto that area. Okay, we have, oh, let's get rid of this little guy here. Peel him off. Get some more leaves out of here. Okay, another leaf. So this one looks like I might have to put some more milk on here. Yogurt works great, and so does buttermilk. Oh, and here we go. You guys see that? A nice little worm coming up. Look at that worm. Ah, where's he going? Is he moving? Yep, he's moving. Haha, nice. Okay, little spots here. Okay. I did make the mistake of putting a bird feeder house on a tree, and the bird seed fell from there and went onto the moss, and the squirrels were digging into it. So here's that bird feeder that we had, and here's the seed. I try to get the seed out the best I can, but the squirrels were digging here to get the seed off the ground. So I'm going to have to work on this also. This one's coming along, this area is coming along good. Look at the moss on that rock, doing good. This one's starting to creep in. All right, this is a good patch. All right, this is going to be a really good patch over here. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, nice and wet and moist, and oh, wet and moist. Okay, let's pull that little doodad out of there. All right, looking good, looking good. It's creeping up on the rock here. Okay, moving in over here. That might be ivy. I'm not going to touch that. Somebody let me know if that's poison ivy or not. This I know is not poison ivy or oak, so I can yank that bad boy out. Oh, look at that. That came right out. Okay, we're working on this area. Creeping in. Okay. Yeah, this is a nice, oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, nice and green and lush. Ah. Boy, that rainstorm knocked some stuff over, some branches. There's the moss growing on the rock. Nice little rock garden I got going. All right, I don't think that's poison ivy. I'm still not going to touch it just in case. Okay. That's the pond, and we're still working on that. All right. This, I'm just waiting for it to fill in a little bit more, and I'm going to put more dirt in here. Okay. So that's the woods. My old cedar. There's the cedar fence I was kind of putting up also. If you guys can see that. Let me close in over here. Oh, I had some, some of the poles fell over. But that's just covering up the neighbors next door is what I'm doing there. Okay. Yes, that's the backyard deck. Tiki torches, a grill, a nice patio set. Let's go over here and look at this moss over here. Oh, we better clean this up. Look at that, move that, move that, and move that. Okay, that's done. Okay. This is where I kind of farm the moss from, on the side of the house, because I'm focusing on getting it some on the front and on the back. So I'll come over here, and this is where I've been shoveling it. Once it starts to grow, I'll take the shovel, grab some of this, and then lay it where I want it to grow. And I hope it grows, and I pour the buttermilk and milk on it. So that's what we have. And go ahead and hit subscribe at the bottom. Hit the like button also. And I'm going to try to get another moss video out, okay? All right, bye.